In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in CapCut PC. If your CapCut interface isn't in your preferred language, or you simply want to switch back to English, I'll walk you through the exact path on the desktop app, step by step, so you can update it quickly and confidently. Start by opening CapCut and landing on the main startup home screen before you open any project. This is important because the option we need is easiest to find from the home view. If you've accidentally opened a project, just return to the home screen so you can see the standard top bar. Next, look to the top right corner of the CapCut window. You'll see a small gear icon there. That's your settings menu. Click it and a tiny drop-down will appear. Choose the very first option in that drop-down. Even if your app is currently in another language, that first item opens the global settings window, which is exactly where we want to be. A settings window will pop up in the center of your screen. Along the top of this box, you'll notice a row of tabs arranged horizontally. We're heading to the tab that manages languages. Click on the very last tab on the right. In English, it's labeled Language. If your interface isn't in English yet, don't worry. The tab is still the final one on the right side of that top row, so it's easy to identify. Once you're in the Language tab, you'll see a list of available interface languages. Scroll through the list and click on English to select it, or choose the language you prefer. After selecting it, look to the bottom right corner of this window and click the bright blue Save button. Saving here confirms your choice and applies the setting. CapCut will immediately prompt you to restart so the change can take effect. Go ahead and click the blue confirmation button. The app will quickly close and reload, and when it comes back up, your interface will appear in the language you just selected. There's no need to reinstall anything or change your system settings. This update happens right inside CapCut, and that's all there is to it. Home screen, gear icon, first drop-down option for global settings, last tab on the right for language. Select English, hit Save, and confirm the restart. You'll see the interface update instantly on your desktop app. You're all set. Done.